Hey guys, it's Sam with the Platinum Group of Berkshire Hathaway. Today we're interviewing Jacob at Durrett Law to see what title insurance is and why it's important.
So when a property is financed, bought or sold, a record of these transactions is generally filed in the public records. And so all of these records of previous owners and that kind of thing that affect ownership, like liens and mortgages, are also archived. And so when you buy title insurance, a title company searches these records to find a remedy to any of these issues. And if possible, there are several different types of ownership issues. And so first, the title company will search these public records and to determine the property's ownership status. And so after this search, the underwriter will kind of evaluate the insurability of the title. And some, even the most skilled of title professionals might not find all of the issues associated with a property though. And so some risks, such as title issues due to filing errors or forgeries or undisclosed liens or undisclosed heirs, are often difficult to identify. And so after the title company finishes its searching, it also provides this title insurance policy that will help protect you from a variety of these issues that might be uncovered later down the road. So an owner's policy of title insurance ensures your ownership rights to the property. Even though you'll only pay it once, it will last as long as you or your heirs own the property. And so a real estate purchase may be the largest financial investment that you ever make. So when you buy an owner's policy of title insurance, just think of it as you buying some peace of mind. All of these issues, we see them often, and so it's just that extra layer of protection for you. We actually recently had a client that is constantly buying and selling. He's one of our biggest clients, and he's buying and selling these investment properties, and he was actually refinancing this one specific property. And our company had never run title on this property, and so we ran our standard 30-year title search and actually found a judgment against the previous owner of the property that the last title company had missed. And even though this judgment was filed against the previous owner, when it was filed when they still had ownership of the property, so that personal judgment actually was attached to the property. And so if our investor client wants to continue with their refinance, they have to pay off this judgment. And that ended up being pretty substantial, upwards of $50,000. And so unfortunately, they didn't purchase an owner's title policy. And so this 3-year preemptive period for any claims against the title company, the previous title company, had already passed. And so had they chosen to proceed, they would have had to pay off this judgment. And I can say with absolute certainty now that that client buys an owner's policy of title insurance every single time.